How to use Google Analytics for website traffic analysis. Your website is a living, breathing entity, but how do you understand who's visiting and what they're doing? Google Analytics is your key. This video will show you how to use Google Analytics for website traffic analysis, helping you make data-driven decisions to optimize your online presence. Open your web browser and visit the Google Analytics website. Create a free Google Analytics account or use your existing Google account to sign up. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your website and create a property within Google Analytics. You receive a tracking code snippet. Copy and paste this code into the header section of your website's code to connect Google Analytics. The Google Analytics dashboard provides a high-level overview of your website traffic, including metrics like sessions, users, and page views and bounce rate. Click on specific metrics to explore detailed reports. For example, clicking users reveals demographics and user acquisition channels. Uncover how visitors found your website under acquisition in the left sidebar, and explore reports like organic search, which is traffic from search engines, or social, which is traffic from social media platforms. Analyze which channels bring the most traffic and conversions to optimize your marketing efforts. With Google Analytics, you can transform website traffic data into actionable insights to improve your websites. Thanks you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.